Well, I thought I'd do a quick video. Got the old 187 handler out, working on this. This is pretty bombed out. So what had happened, this trailer had been in a, this is a ramp for a trailer, had been in a car accident, got flipped, and it never got properly repaired. And during the accident, these truss straps broke off. And then over the years, it wallowed out. It was like completely like tacoed like that. So we got the strap system on here. I took the, yeah, it's over there, the portable bandsaw, and just made a plunge cut right there. And then just ratcheted the living shit out of it, threw the weld in, and then where it was like flexing, I just threw a bead across the back. I don't know if I'm ready to go pro on welding, but that's that. We're gonna have to flip it over here in a second. But I'm gonna take the strap off here. I put more backwards bend, I guess, if you will, than originally. Like, whatever. This side over here, I was thinking about trying to fix it, but like, when they built this trailer, you can see from here to this angle iron is tight, but there's a spot opening. That's why it failed so bad. So over here, I'm trying to figure out, like, how would I re-weld it? I mean, I could maybe make a cut like diagonal and maybe get the welder in there, but that's pretty tight. Let's get a sight down this one to see how. You can see it's not super bowed. Let's check this one real quick. How'd I do? I mean, that thing had like an inch of bow in it, and now it's pretty straight. I may have had to put a plate on that. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. I mean, all I'm loading is side by side. So it's like 1,400 pounds. So it's like, it ain't that big of a deal. The bend was enough. So if you imagine, here, trailer's up, it came down, it tacoed, ramp comes up, it was like this far from hitting the machine, where the other ramp was like half a foot away. So I'm hoping that's solving it. I am going to weld the other side, but let's take the tension off this thing, see if old Elf Shells ends up going to the hospital real quick. Oh, please. Here's clear. Sacrificial strap. Alright, kind of nervous right now. Come with me. How bad did it stay? Did it? Oh, it stayed. That's straight. That's fixed, kids. Fix the shit out of that. I am going to throw some straps on this, I think, because I've got, it ain't exactly right, but I've got some of this strapping right here that's just been sitting around for, well, some of it's thicker than others. Like, that's a thicker one there. We'll use that. That's about 8". We'll throw some straps on her, rattle can the shit out of that. Hell yeah. I like it when a plan comes together. I mean, whatever. Don't do like me, kids. I literally went up in the forest up there looking for a tree where I could put I was gonna pull the bottle jack out of this shop press and see if I could bottle jack it. I literally was looking for trees in the forest. I thought maybe 20 tons I could bend it back, but unfortunately my trees aren't spaced perfectly to do that, so said fuck it, chopped it, re-welded it, should be good to go. Should be good to go. Just a short one. That's a lot of leaves, I know, but we got questionable fire extinguisher and garden hose for all the internet nannies. You got something bad's gonna happen to you. Yeah, I know, but something bad can be solved when it happens. We just cross that bridge when we get to it. All right, there's 4 minutes of your life. Hobart Handler coming in large again. Stay safe.